the workshop of precision where craft meets engineering. All large-scale reliability starts with precision right here. Experience can't be coded. Engineering gives experience structure. Process curve verification. The intuition of craft and the logic of engineering converge into irrefutable data. Every measurement, every verification, culminates in a tangible promise. Where craft meets engineering. See precision turn into efficiency. Follow us. Explore your customized drying solution.